Now, a CPM leader in Tripura who lay on a bed of cash withdrawn from his own bank account to fulfill a long-cherished dream is understandably in deep trouble with his party. A CPM local committee member in Agartala, Samar Acharji, a contractor by profession, was shown lying on bundles of currency notes in video footage. In fact, he's also heard in the footage saying, "I've withdrawn 20 lakhs from my bank account and fulfilled my long-cherished dream of sleeping on a bed of money." In fact, there are reports that suggest that this footage was in fact taken by him on his own mobile phone. An investigation by the CPM that runs the government in Tripura, headed by Chief Minister Manik Sarkar, famed for his honesty, has revealed that Acharji himself took the footage on his mobile phone, which was then leaked to a television channel by his friend. Of course, those visuals are quite interesting, as you can see.
কোটি কোটি টাকা লয়ে আপনি ঘুমাইছেন আপনি কি সব সময় টাকা লয়ে ঘুমান না না টাকা লয়ে সব সময় ঘুমাই না আসলে ঘুমাইতে আমার ইচ্ছা হইছে আচ্ছা টাকাটা এমনি 2 নম্বর না তো বহুত মানুষে বহুত কথাবার্তা কয় আমি বলে কইলে ওয়ার্ড